If you need to hide something, it's often good to hide it behind a picture. Like medicine cabinets are often done like that.
So we were talking about building like a little hidden hidey shelf, but one that has a secret way of opening it that only we know how. Here's what I'm thinking. Build a box on the back of this, cut it into the wall, mount it on the wall, and you don't see the hinges. And then, have you seen these? They are magnetic release latches. They're for keeping kids out of your cupboards. You put the magnet on it. So if you know where to put it, it'll release the latch, open the box.
You're gonna put your fortune in here?
I might.
What if we got like a really nice bottle of,
I'm gonna have to hide it from you. We started by cutting up some pine, which we're gonna use to create our 8x10 secret storage space. Okay, I'll make a hole in the wall.
How are we gonna attach this to the wall? Do you want to cut some 45s?
Yeah, sure.
I just went and cut these 45 brackets. So when the frame sticks through the wall, these things are just gonna attach to the wall and then to the frame.
And then Andrew screwed in the hidden hinges. So right now I'm just putting on the magnetic release latch. There's a catch on one side and then there's the magnetic release on the other, and you just kind of have to line those up. And then all that's left is putting the box in the wall and mounting it. Try and get in.
Can't do it. Let's see your trick.
Walker's best.